This is the also differentiation topic. Yesterday one class is over. Differentiation. Here, if y is equal to 1 plus x to the power 1 by x, then dy by dx. So this is the function to the power of function. Then we apply the logarithm. After logarithm, we derive that function. So given function is y is equal to 1 plus x power 1 by x given. So for shortcut, we taking the logarithm on both sides directly. Write log y is equal to log of something power of 1 by x. 1 by x coming outside directly. Put to direct step. No need of log. Log of 1 plus x. So this is function to the power of function. So if we apply the logarithm both sides, log y here, log of this to the power of this. So log m power of n log m. This is n, this is log m. Now we differentiate with respect to x only. Here dy by dx, differentiation of y with respect to x. Then log y differentiation 1 by y. Okay. Again y differentiation with respect to x dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to here 1 by x log 1 plus x. We take any method u by v or u into v also, any one. So suppose this is the u, this is the v. It is suppose u by v. So formula what? By v square. You write first by v square, x square. Next v into x into log 1 plus x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x. vu dash over 1 plus x differentiation 1 also minus log 1 plus x. X differentiation 1. So this is dy by dx is equal to y into denominator x square, here x by 1 plus x minus log of 1 plus x. Here y is the 1 plus x power of 1 by x. Dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x power of 1 by x. Same step in this, no change. X square, x by 1 plus x minus log of 1 plus x. So according to this, which option is the right answer? I think here no minus, multiplication this also. In the option something wrong here. Here multiplication. So second option is the right answer. Option 2. Here if y is equal to log x power of x plus x to the power log x, two functions and each function to the power of function. Here summation of two functions. So we taken as y is equal to log x power of x, first term, plus x to the power of log x, second term. So this is u, this is v, u plus v. Y is equal to u plus v. Whereas u is equal to log x power of x. V is equal to x to the power of log x. Consider like this. So this function differentiation with respect to x, this also differentiation with respect to x. So before going to this, first step 1, u is equal to, consider u is equal to log x power of x. We do the process here. du by dx. Before going to du by dx, we apply the logarithm. Why we apply the logarithm? It is the function to the power of function. So log u is equal to x log x. After simplification, I wrote here x log of log x. M power of n log m. Now this is the u, this is the v. Again uv method. So differentiation with respect to x log u, 1 by u. U differentiation du by dx is equal to x multiply uv method, uv dash. Log of log x differentiation 1 by log x. Again log x differentiation is the 1 by x plus log of log x. X differentiation 1. So here x gets cancelled. This u taking outside, du by dx finally. U, this u right here. U means log x power of x. This is u. U I wrote here. Next simplification 1 by log x. 1 by log x plus log of log x. Close. This is multiplication of 1 over. Next v term. V is equal to x to the power log x. Again similar to that, it is also function to the power of function. We are taking the logarithm. Log v is equal to that n coming to front side log x. Log x. First log x front side, again log of x coming. So this is the 2 log x whole square. Log v is equal to log x whole square. Now differentiation. Log v differentiation 1 by v. V differentiation dv by dx. 2 log x. X square type 2x. After that log x differentiation 1 by x. Next dv by dx is equal to this v outside. What is the v? X power of log x. Close. This term here v. V is nothing but x power of log x. So here 2 log x by x. This is the dv by dx, second term differentiation. So here y is equal to u plus v. dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So finally dy by dx is equal to du by dx is the log x power of x, and here log of log x, second term we write here log of log x plus 1 by log x. Second term plus x power log x. It is 2 log x by x. This is the answer. So which option is correct? First option is the right answer. Option 1. This option is the right answer. Here let f of x is equal to 2a minus x, whereas x lies between minus a to plus a, in between, not equal to a, that is minus a to plus a. And second one 3x minus 2a, that is a less than or equal to x. So a is equal to x and a is less than also x, equal to x, less than x, both cases. Then first f is discontinuous at x is not x is equal to a. Here f is continuous at x is equal to a, but is not differentiable at x is equal to a. Here f is differentiable at x is equal to a. Here not differentiable, here differentiable. Here none of these 4 options. So some difficult question here. We check for the continuous discontinuous function, we find the left hand limit and right hand limit. left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, then that function is continuous at x is equal to a. After that he asking differentiable or not. Here also left hand derivative, right hand derivative. If both are equal, it is differentiable, otherwise not differentiable. We find the first continuous checking, left hand limit, right hand limit. Solution. Here left hand limit, LHL, left hand limit, whereas limit x tends to a minus. So a minus is the left hand limit. A minus, below a. Below a means this function. It is the 2a minus x. So we apply a here. 2a minus a is equal to a. This is the left hand limit. And come to right hand limit, RHL. Limit x tends to a plus. A plus what we take function? A plus a above. So this also x greater than or equal to a. This means a above values. A above value means the function is taken as 3x minus 2a. 3x minus 2a. Now we apply the a value here. 3a minus 2a is equal to a. So this also a. Here left hand limit, right hand limit is equal to a. And at the f of a also find f of a, x is equal to a. Here 3a minus 2a. This also a. So is equal to LHL is equal to RHL is equal to a. That is also equal to fa. So f is continuous function. F is continuous function at a. One answer is over. F is continuous at x is equal to a. Here suitable, but it is not differentiable at x is equal to a. Here we check this point. So we find the left hand derivative and the right hand derivative. Left hand derivative. So limit x tends to a minus, that is the formula f of x minus f of a by x minus a. This is the useful formula. That is the also differentiation. That is the one of the process. Here limit x tends to a minus f of x is, so this a less value 2a minus x minus f of a. F of a value we know here. F of a is the a value. Simply f of a is equal to a by x minus a. Now limit x tends to a minus this value 2a minus a minus x. Here minus taken outside, a minus x. This term same cancelled. So it is equal to minus 1. This is the left hand derivative. Next, right hand derivative, similar to that. Whereas limit x tends to a plus. Here f of x, a plus means this 3x minus 2a minus f of a is the a and denominator x minus a. Here 3x minus 3a, 3 common, 3 into x minus a by x minus a. X minus a gets cancelled, it is equal to 3. This is the right hand derivative. Left hand derivative is equal to minus 1, right hand derivative is equal to 3. So both are not equal. That's why it is not differentiable at x is equal to a. Left hand derivative, right hand derivative does not equal. So f is not differentiable at x is equal to a value. So which option? Second option is the right answer. Second option. This is the most important problem. This is the very lengthy question. So for shortcut, we start from end. C by x minus c plus 1 is there. We simplify from that onwards. This is the at a time LCM very big. So that's why we consider c by x minus c plus 1. What is this? C plus x minus c by x minus c. So c cancel. It is x by x minus c. After that bx by division x minus b x minus c plus that term x by x minus c. This is equal to here LCM x minus b into x minus c. This is cancelled, only bx here plus x into here x minus c cancelled, only x minus b, x into x minus b. So x square minus bx, bx cancelled, x square by x minus b into x minus c in the shortcut way. After bx, next you come to here this term ax square plus ax square by x minus a, x minus b, x minus c plus the total term is this x square by x minus b, x minus c. So this is equal to LCM x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. All terms coming here. So this term gets cancelled, only ax square here plus x minus b, x minus c cut, only x minus a. So x minus a into x square, this into this term, x square into x cube, x square into minus a x square. This term gets cancelled. So finally it is x cube by x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. This is y is equal to here also y is equal to, here also y is equal to. This is the simplification of function. That total term is equal to this one. So here x power of 3, here more multiplication factors. That's why we are taking the logarithms. Log y is equal to log of x cube by x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Now log y is equal to log, this is log x cube, minus log of x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Separated log m by n, log m minus log n. After this again simplify, log y is equal to 3 log x, this 3 coming front side, minus this is log a b c, log of x minus a plus log of x minus b plus log of x minus c. This is the simplest way. Now we differentiate. Log y differentiation 1 by y differentiation y dash is nothing but dy by dx is equal to 3 constant. Log x differentiation 1 by x minus of log x minus a derivative 1 by x minus a, x minus a differentiation 1, so no need 1 plus this also similar to that x minus b into 1 by x minus c into 1. So this is y dash by y is equal to, he asking question y dash by y how much? This is the y dash by y coming here. In the right hand side we write 3 by x, here x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. So in this 3 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x, 3 times we take 1 by x and this term subtraction 1 by x minus a plus again here 1 by x, this term minus 1 by x minus b plus another 1 by x minus 1 by x minus c. So here also we arrange the little terms. So y dash by y is equal to here LCM x into x minus a minus x plus here x minus b minus x by x minus b into x plus x into x minus c. So here x minus c minus x gets cancelled. So here y dash by y is equal to minus a by x into x minus a minus b by x into x minus b plus minus c by x into x minus c. In each and every term minus is there. So minus multiplication denominator and numerator, it getting y dash by y is equal to a by x into a minus x plus b by x into b minus x plus c by x into c minus x. Next step, here 1 by x common, here x, here x, here x, 1 by x common, then a by a minus x, b by b minus x, c by c minus x. So which is the right answer here? 1 by x, a by a minus x, b by b minus x, c by c minus x. So first option is the correct answer according to this. Option number 1. If under root of 1 minus x power of 6 plus under root of 1 minus y power of 6 is equal to a cube of x cube minus y cube, then find dy by dx. It is also more critical problem. We use the simple techniques. So there x cube y cube, here x power of 6 y power of 6. Suppose we taking x cube is equal to something, y cube is equal to something, then easy to do the problem. Solution, let x cube is equal to some sine function a, sin a, y cube is equal to another sin b function. Then what coming, x power of 6 is equal to sin square a, y power of 6 is equal to sin square b, 1 minus sin square a, cos square a, under root of cos square a, cos a coming, here also cos b coming, like that. Under root of 1 minus sin square a from this plus under root of 1 minus sin square b, a in cube into x cube sin a minus sin b. This is cos square a and root, only cos a coming plus this is cos b coming and a cube into sin a minus sin b. We know this formula, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 into a cube into sin c minus sin d, 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos sin a minus b by 2. So left side, both side 2 gets cancelled, again cos a plus b by 2 also same term. So remaining cos a minus b by 2 is equal to a cube into sin a minus b by 2. So next this cos, this sin, taking left side, cos by sin, cot a minus b by 2 is equal to a cube. Next, this cot term taking outside, then it is inverse. A minus b by 2 is equal to cot inverse of a cube. After this, a minus b only 2 into cot inverse of a cube. So a minus b what? A is equal to sin inverse of x cube. Here b is equal to sin inverse of y cube. We apply here. A minus b is equal to, so a minus b is nothing but a is the sin inverse x cube minus b is the sin inverse y cube is equal to 2 cot inverse of a cube. Now easy to differentiate with respect to x. Sin inverse x, both sides we apply the differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Sin inverse x cube, sin inverse y cube is equal to 2 cot inverse a cube. Differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Now sin inverse x cube differentiation 1 by under root of 1 minus x power of 6. X cube square x power of 6. And differentiation of x cube again 3x square. X derivative 1 into 1 minus, here also same, 1 minus y power of 6, y cube differentiation 3y square, y differentiation into dy by dx is equal to constant differentiation 0. After that, this minus going to outside, it is positive. So 3y square dy by dx is equal by 1 minus y power of 6 is equal to 3x square by under root of 1 minus x power of 6. This 3 gets cancelled. So finally dy by dx is equal to, here x square, this y square here denominator, this going outside power 1 minus y power of 6, this one 1 minus x power of 6. Anyhow, this is the answer. First option is the right answer. First option is the right answer.